everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana and today we are going to work on a scrapbook using magazine clippings as well as watercolor. The reason I actually thought of this is because I had a whole stack of magazines in my room and I had no idea what to do with it, so I thought why not actually use it for my scrapbooks. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video and let's get right into it.
So here I'm just choosing my photos and cutting them. I actually decided to edit my photos on a collage maker on Google, and that way I could just fit more pictures onto one page rather than having a lot of large pictures. So it was really convenient, and I've just been doing this for a while now because it's much easier than having to print huge 4x6 photos when I would like to just fit more photos onto one page. So what you see me doing here is I'm just painting a sloth, and so this scrapbook is for my friend Jessa, and she really loves sloths, and so this just reminded me of her. This is actually my first watercolor painting, and so I think it turned out okay, but there's definitely lots of room for improvement. So here I'm just organizing my photos and trying to decide which photos I want to go on which page and just the different themes that I want to use. So I basically started categorizing all the photos, and then once I decided which photos I wanted to be on a certain page, I then started decorating my first page. And so the first page that I'm working on is a wine tour that we went on in August, and so this scrapbook basically features all of Jessa's adventures, which is really my adventures as well, because basically everything that she does, I do. We just do a lot of things together. So earlier you would have just saw me cutting out a bunch of clippings from magazines, and so because this was in the summer I decided to use magazines that had flowers in it, and so I just cut those out. And then here I started working on some watercolor paintings just to complement the page. So here I'm just organizing pictures and magazine clippings into Ziploc bags. It just helped me so that I knew which magazine clippings I wanted to use with certain pictures. By the way, just wanted to give you guys the heads up that as I am making this scrapbook, the clips might seem really fast, but don't worry, I will be doing a final flip through at the very end of the video. That way you guys can actually see how everything turns out at the end and how all the pages look. In this scrapbook, we're now moving away from summer and I'm scrapbooking fall. So here I am creating a scrapbook page of our cottage trip that we did in October. And then the next page you will see apple picking and pumpkin picking. I just want to let you guys know that a lot of the paintings and doodles that I am drawing or painting for this scrapbook is inspired by other people, and I will link all of my inspiration. A lot of it is from Pinterest. I will link it in the description box below, and I will also link all the materials that I'm using in the description box below as well. So again, these are magazine clippings that I found. I just had a huge stack of magazines in my room, and it was just sitting there, and so I decided to go through them. And I was honestly so inspired as I was looking through these magazines. There's just so many talented photographers out there and artists, and so I love just incorporating these magazine clippings into my scrapbook. So right before quarantine started, me and a few girls actually went to Blue Mountain, and we went to go skiing as well as visit the Scandinave Spa. And I'm just so grateful for this trip because, as you all know, in March we had to be on lockdown and we weren't able to leave our houses or really do anything. And so I'm just really grateful for this trip that we got to take right before all of that happened. For the next 3 pages, or actually 6 pages technically, I'm just going to show you guys the layouts that I use with the magazine clippings and the pictures, and then after I'm going to show you how I incorporated some watercolor paintings into each of these pages. So it might look a little bit plain for right now, but just keep watching because I will show you how I incorporate some watercolor. And here's my favorite part, the final flip through.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked what you saw today, please click the like button as well as subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!